Hey guys, it's Mario Plays Review here. So we're in line for the Space Shuttle simulator at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. So we're gonna see that this may be a long line. So we're gonna skip this and get onto the simulator, guys. So stay tuned.
You are really sure you want to do this?
We're back.
Yeah.
It's Mario here.
As you can see, your shuttle should be pointed straight up on the pad, so we need to get you into that position.
Alright.
You comfy? Normally the astronauts have to wait like that for a couple of hours, so just sit tight. I'll be back.
Alright.
Just kidding.
20 seconds.
Now remember, in 6.6 seconds your main engines will ignite. Then the shuttle will swing. Then the SRBs are going to ignite. And you are off. Remember that tin can? You made it through max Q. Your main engine is not back up to 104%. Fuel is spent in the solid rocket boosters, and you're going to jettison them in 3, 2, 1. Hear that? Negative return? That means if something goes wrong now, you don't have enough fuel to abort back to the launch site at the Kennedy Space Center. Fortunately, everything's nominal, at least for now. Guess I spoke too soon. See? That's what it's like in a training simulation. The diabolical sim soup and your trainers are always throwing emergencies at me. Let's see how the crew does.
Houston, it looks like we have a cabin leak. Roger. We say
Never a good thing. Your flight deck crew is working on the problem now. Ever been to Zaragoza, Spain before? Well, if they can't fix it, you'll be landing there in a few minutes.
We closed the cabin relief isolate valves. Roger. Looks like that's all the well. Press to Nico.
The crew isolated the leak. Nice job. Looks like you're still on track. You're now pulling 3 Gs. You don't want to go over 3 Gs, so you're going to throttle back a little and get ready for main engine cutoff.
3 back to 72%.
You're now going 23 times the speed of sound, or just over 17,000 miles per hour. When you hit 17,500, get ready for main engine cutoff in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What was
Wave goodbye to the external tank and say hello, outer space.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
joining us on this adventure today. Now, whenever you see a space launch, hopefully you'll remember your experience here today. And at least in spirit, you'll be on board. And who knows? Maybe one day you will fly with us.
That was pretty cool.
Well, thanks. Well, guys, that was the launch shuttle that you guys have seen. Well, viewers, thanks for watching. And if you want me to do more, subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time.